Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Last week, we learned about the different foods. What are those foods we learned? Let's review the different foods before we go to the questions and answers. Let's start reviewing. Cake, hamburger, fried chicken, French fries, good, hot dog, pizza, and noodles. Okay, so these are the foods that we learned. Now let's review the questions and answers. We learned last week about the question, what food do you like? I know you can answer this. What food do you like? I like hamburger. What food do you like? I like hot dog. What food do you like? I like fried chicken. Very good. Let's have more. What food do you like? I like noodles. Very good. What food do you like? I like pizza. What food do you like? I like French fries. Okay, I hope you remember those foods because we will learn another lesson. Today, we will learn about this question. It's easy. Is it delicious? How to answer this question? Let me modify this question so that you can understand, okay? Is it, okay, look at this. It is what? Cake, okay? Is cake delicious? So what is, look at the picture and identify as it. So the answer is, so is it delicious? So if this picture that you see is delicious, then you can answer, yes, it is. If it is not delicious, you don't like, so you say, no, it isn't. Okay? Did you get the instruction? Now let's answer these questions. It's very easy. Is it delicious? Pronounce it properly, okay? Is, there is a sound of it. Is it delicious? Is it delicious? This is now the question. And then you just look at the picture and then answer, yes, it is. No, it isn't. Okay? Oh, is it delicious? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. So you just answer one. You just choose from these two. Okay? You just choose yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Okay? Is it delicious? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Is it delicious? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Now I will be asking question, okay? You just answer. I will no longer answer this question, okay? Is it delicious? Okay, number two. Is it delicious? Number 3, is it delicious? Okay, that's great. Now let's have more questions. Is it delicious? Is noodle delicious? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Is it delicious? Is pizza delicious? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Is it delicious? Is French fries delicious? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Now I will be asking and you answer, okay? Is it delicious? Okay, number 5. Is it delicious? Okay, number 6. Is it delicious? Okay, very good. That's all for today. I hope you learned something for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye.